itchy eyes, a lot of sneezing, I guess pollen where we are. And so I want to show you a few quick things that you can use if you're an essential oil user. The first thing I did this morning was I took a capsule of Tri-Ease. This is a combo of lemon, lavender, and peppermint, and those are helpful in reducing any challenges you might have with any seasonal allergies. You could also use those individual oils, lemon, lavender, and peppermint, and just put a drop of each in water. Lemon, lavender, and peppermint. And you can shoot it back, so this is a quick little concoction. If your throat is itchy, you might want to gargle with it a little bit. If you don't want to take them that way, you could put 2 drops of each in a veggie cap and take it back that way. It's great to just inhale a drop of peppermint and clear out your airways. You could also use Easy Air or Breathe or Air X. Those are other options. And then a great little tip I learned this morning, because as an oil user, I'm always learning, but I was recommended to put a drop of lavender at the base of your first and second toe, or your second and third toe. I don't know, I've put a swipe of lavender. So now, no more sneezing, no more itchy eyes. I put lavender around my eyes this morning as well. So that's just some tips for you if you are struggling with any kind of seasonal allergies. I hope you enjoyed.